Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasan Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Klokshi Tutorial. Today, I want to present a wonderful seminar in front of you great people like you. Now, I am saying a complete seminar regarding respiration. Do you know, friends, what is respiration? Yes, exactly, correct. Respiration is known as the energy supplying system. In the respiration, the exhaling and inhaling will take place. Respiration are divided two types: aerobic respiration and aerobic respiration. In the aerobic respiration, the respiration occur in the presence of oxygen. In the anaerobic respiration, the respiration occur in the absence of oxygen. This is the variation between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Do you know, friends, what is inspiration? Yes, excellent. Inspiration is known as the inhaling of air is known as inspiration. And do you know, friends, what is expiration? Yes, excellent. Expiration is defined as the exhaling of O2 is known as expiration. Do you know, friends, how we are breathing the air? Yes, friends, it is based on events in respiration. The events in respiration is defined as five events: breathing, breathing occur in a lungs level, gas transport by blood, gas export by a tissue level, cellular respiration. First event, breathing. The combination of inspiration and expiration is known as the exhaling and inhaling of air, nothing but breathing. The gas transport by at lungs level. In the lungs, the oxygen layer will be present. By the oxygen, the diffusion process will occur. In the oxygen and CO2, the volume will increase. By the oxygen, the volume will increase. By the CO2, the volume will decrease with the help of diaphragm. And next, the gas transport at by blood. Do you know, friends, what is blood capillaries? It's exactly with the help of blood capillaries, the O2 and energy will form in our blood. By the blood capillaries, the oxygen will flow in our body, and the energy will be present. Gas transport at tissue level. Do you know, friends, which type of respiration is occurring in our skin? Its example, it is occur in the presence of tissues. The cutaneous respiration is going in our skin. Next, cellular respiration. Cellular respiration means the respiration occur in the presence of cells is known as the cellular respiration. Do you know, friends, how the air is going in our mouth too, our nose too, in our lungs? Yes, exactly. Nostrils, nasal cavity, larynx, pharynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveoli, blood. Here, nine parts is there for moving air one place to another place. Here, first air enter into nostrils. Nostrils nothing but our nose entrance is known as nostrils. Nostrils to the air flow into the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity to pharynx. Pharynx to larynx. Larynx to trachea. The trachea is nothing but the junction of the air and food particles. Next, the trachea afterwards, uh, bronchus to bronchioles, bronchioles to alveoli, alveoli to blood. Here, the alveoli, the diffusion process occur. The alveoli is nothing but the exchanging of gases will be occur in the presence of alveoli. Here, the O2 particles will be mixed in the blood. And next, mechanism in respiration. Do you know, friends, what is mechanism? Yes, exactly. The mechanism is nothing but the involved movement is known as mechanism. In by the events in respiration and the pathways of respiration. Here, by the two combination, the mechanism is occur. The mechanism is the respiration is known as in our body. The diffusion process is going no. The diffusion and osmosis process in the respiration is known as the mechanism in respiration. In this lesson, very important activity is there. Experiment of feast. Take a narrow thin bottle and take a delivery tube, thermometer, rubber cock and tube, and take a bicarbonate solution, liquid paraffin and yeast cooled water, and mix it in a bottle with the help of wax or paraffin and liquid paraffin and the yeast, and keep it delivery tube this bottle too and another tube, and another test tube will mix bicarbonate solution, nothing but lime water, and keep it into the bottle rubber cock and thermometer and keep it away after 2 days. After 2 days, we will observe in that bottle the ethyl alcohol smell because with the help of liquid paraffin bicarbonate solution and the yeast is converted into ethyl alcohol. Here fermentation process is going. Do you know friends what is fermentation? Yes, exactly. Fermentation is nothing but the pyruvic acid is converted into the ethyl alcohol or the ethanol is known as the fermentation process. We will move to next topic. The events in respiration we will discuss and the pathways of air will be contained in our esophagus to in our lungs. Do you know friends the air will be passed into in our body also with the help of blood capillaries. And next, do you know friends the respiration occur in trees also. In trees contain the small hole-like structure, nothing but stomata. In the stomata, the exchanging of air will be occur. But it is quite opposite to human beings. It will be respire CO2 and leaving the oxygen for human beings. Some humans are thinking the respiration occur at morning times and the respiration occur does not occur in at night times. It is incorrect because the respiration occur in all times. The stomata, it is closely manner will be occur. And conduction in plants. The conduction in plants will be occur in the presence of small thread-like structure. The nothing but it will be present lenticel structure. With the help of lenticels, the conduction will be occur in the plants and alveoli in our the alveoli present in our lungs. It will be spread nearly thousands of kilometers. Nothing but India to Europe. Thus the alveoli will spread. And next. Aerial roots. Do you know friends what is aerial roots? Yes, exactly. The aerial roots is nothing but the aerial root will be produced against to the geotropism. But the all roots will be produced to the geotropism. But the aerial root will be produced towards the phototropism. It will be produced against to the geotropism and it will be smell out with the help of mangrove trees. It will be present at West Bengal, Sundarban lakes. With the help of mangrove trees, the aerial roots will be founded in the presence of in the Sundarban lake. Here, the aerial roots and conduction of plants occur in the respiration. The respiration is very important for the human beings. And next friends, photosynthesis. Do you know friends what is photosynthesis? Yes, very good. The photosynthesis is nothing but with the help of sunlight, oxygen, CO2, water, the plant will be gain the energy, nothing but starch. The starch is nothing but the plant food is known as the starch. It is very important for the plant. The respiration is very necessary for human beings and the plants also. Nothing but the respiration is very important for living organisms. I hope you understand my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.